Hello 6th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. We are discussing the lesson ratio, proportion and unitary method and worksheet 3 that's dealing with the unitary method, isn't it? Now coming to the fifth sum, 4 erasers are purchased for ₹10. Now find the cost of 1 dozen eraser. So cost of 4 erasers, how much is given? ₹10. Write the statement, cost of 4 erasers is equal to ₹10. Now find out the cost of 1 eraser. You know, unitary method, first we have to find for 1. How? Division. So 10 upon 4. It is 2 2s are 2, 5s are 10. That means ₹5/2. Let it be like this. Don't convert into the decimal. Now they have asked cost of 1 dozen erasers. 1 dozen means how many? 12. So whatever number you get, 5/2 into 12. 2 1s are 2 6s are, so 5 6 are 30. Answer is ₹30. Cost of 1 dozen erasers is ₹30. Are you clear with the sum? Just like the earlier, 1 quintal, that is 100 kg. So you are multiplying by 100, just like that. 1 dozen erasers means multiply by 12. Now coming to the sixth sum. See, in the example I have told the 2 questions were asked in that, isn't it? So you have to be little bit careful. First, a worker earns 18,000 in 15 months. First question, how much will the worker earn in 7 months? 18,000 in 15 months. How much in 7 months? So this is usual question. So accordingly you can do. So first statement, what it will be? Earnings in 15 months. 18,000 in 15 months. How much means earnings only you have to find. So earnings in 15 months is ₹18,000. Now earnings in 1 month. Unitary method mein first is 1 month, that is division. 18,000 upon 15. 15 ones are 15, 16, 17, 18. 3 remains. 15 twos are 30 and these 2 zeros. So you got 1200. 1,200. Now they have asked question A, how much the worker will earn in 7 months. So earnings in 7 months. 1 month में कितना आया? 1,200. 7 months multiply by 7. That is 0 0. 7 2s are 14. 7 1s are 7 plus 1 8. 8,400. So question A is as usual, whatever you have done, same. But now coming to question B, in how many months will he earn 3,600? इधर आप लोगों को months पूछे हैं. क्वेश्चन में क्या दिया है? earnings in months. लेकिन आप भी रिवर्स पूछे हैं, months कितना है. So statement also it will change in the reverse order. So first जो भी information दिया है उसको reverse order में लिखो. The worker earns 18,000 in 15 months. So number of months needed to earn 18,000. So number of months needed to earn 18,000. How much is given? 15. Now find out नंबर ऑफ मंथ्स नीडेड टू अर्न ₹1। हमेशा 1 का पूछने का है, थोड़ा अजीब सा लगता है लेकिन करने का ही है सम के लिए। चलो कितना आएगा 15 अपॉन, सो इट इज नॉट रुपीज, इट इज मंथ्स। 15 अपॉन 18000, राइट साइड का नंबर डिवाइड बाय लेफ्ट साइड का नंबर। अभी सेम आएगा बट द order is reversed. 15 ones are 15 ones are 3 remains, 15 twos are 0 0, so you get 1 by 1200। फ्रैक्शन में ऐसे आया। नाउ क्वेश्चन, इन हाउ मेनी मंथ्स विल ही अर्न 3600? सो नंबर ऑफ मंथ्स नीडेड टू अर्न 3600। अभी क्या आंसर मिला 1 अपॉन 1200, अभी इंटू 3600, 20 कट, 12 ones are 12 threes are, so you got 3 months। समझ में आया? क्वेश्चन बी, number of months needed to earn 18,000 is 15 months. So number of months needed to earn 1 rupee, that is 15 upon 18,000. It will be in fraction. Now number of months needed to earn 3600. The answer what you get, multiply by 3600, so you get 3 months. So the worker earns, A का आंसर है ₹8,400 in 7 months, and the worker earns 3,600 in how many months? 3 months. That was question number 6. I have told you while explaining the example, last 3 sums, they are of this type of sums, so better be careful. So that was 6th sum. Now coming to the 7th sum. The weight of 72 books is 9 kg. Find the weight of 80 such books. Weight ही पूछे हैं. So weight of 72 books कितना दिया है 9 kg. So find out first weight of one book, 9 upon 72। कौन सा नंबर किससे डिवाइड करने का? राइट साइड का न्यूमरेटर डिवाइडेड बाय द लेफ्ट साइड का नंबर। नाउ 9 ones are 9 8s are, so you get 1 by 8 kg. This is of one book. Now in the question, what is the weight of 80 such books? So you got 1 by 8 into how many books? 80. 8 ones are 8 tens are, so it is 10 kg. So weight of 80 books is 10 kg. That was the first question. Now in the second question, how many books will weigh 6 kg? It's the reverse one. Weight दिया था बट अभी बुक्स कितना है पूछे हैं. सो 9 kg में 72 बुक्स. नंबर ऑफ बुक्स विच वे 9 kg इज 72. सो स्टेटमेंट को रिवर्स लिखने का, नंबर ऑफ बुक्स which weigh 9 kg is 72. Therefore, number of books which weigh 1 kg, 72 by 9. Right side 72 है, left side 9, divide by 9. 9 ones are 9 eights are. So 8 books will weigh 1 kg. Now number of books which weigh 6 kg. So 1 kg का 8 है ना, 8 बुक्स. सो 6 kg में कितने बुक्स? इंटू 8, 8 इंटू 6, that is 48. So weight of 80 books कितना मिला? 10 kg. And number of books, how many books will weigh 6 kg? It is 48 books will weigh 6 kg. Is it clear? Little bit confusing, the second sum. So practice a little bit. Now coming to the last sum. A factory produced 57,900 screws in the month of April. The factory produces same number of screws every day. ऐसा हम सोचने का है. How many screws did the factory produce in 8 days? So question में क्या पूछे हैं? Number of screws produced in April. And they have asked in days. So April के महीने में कितने दिन है? 30. So you have to write in the bracket 30 days. कौन सा महीना है उसके हिसाब से number of days. So it is a 57,900. So number of screws produced in April, that is 30 in 30 days, it is 57,900. Now number of screws produced in 1 day. सबसे पहले 1 का फाइंड आउट करने का. कैसे करेंगे? 57,900 डिवाइड बाय 30. 1 के लिए डिवाइड, 0 0 कट, 3 1 जा 3, 4 5, 2 remains, 2 7, 27, 3 9 जा 27, 3 3 जा 9 और 1 0. So you got 1930. So एक दिन में 1930 screws are produced. Now in the first question, how many screws are produced in 8 days? Therefore number of screws produced in 8 days. 1 day में 1930 है, 8 days में कितना? Multiply by 8. 8 zeros are 0, 8 threes are 24, 8 sevens are 42, 43, 44, 4, 5, 8 ones are 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Sorry, it is 72, isn't it? 8 zeros are 0, 8 threes are 24, 8 nines are 72, 74, 7 in hand, 8 ones are 8, 9, 10 and 5, so 15. 15,440. Clear? Now coming to the second sum, question B. In how many days did the factory produce 34,740 screws? Number of days पूछे हैं. तो फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट को रिवर्स में लिखो. Either number of screws produced in the month of April is 57,900. ये क्वेश्चन को रिवर्स में. So number of days needed to produce 57,900 is 30. ये फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट को रिवर्स में लिखने का. Number of days to produce 57,900 screws is 30. So number of days needed to produce 1 screw, that is 30 upon 57900. Same calculation reverse. 0 0 cut, 3 1s are 3 1s are 3, 2 remains, 3 9s are 27, 3 are 3, 3 3s are 9 and 0. So you got 1 by 1930. इधर देखो 1930, इधर 1 by 1930. Now number of days needed to produce 34,740. So अभी मिला हमें 1 by 1930 into, अभी सेकेंड स्टेप मल्टीप्लीकेशन. क्या है नंबर? 34,740. 0 0 कट। अभी ये 193 आप लोग डिवाइड करके, डायरेक्टली डिवाइड करके देखो। 193 ones and it will be 18. 18s 3474। लॉन्ग डिवीजन में डिवाइड करके देखो, सो आपको मिला 18 days। This is number of screws. So the factory produces 15,440 screws in 8 days. The factory produces 34,740 screws in 18 days. Hope you understood all the sums of worksheet 3. So we have completed the lesson. First worksheet on ratio, second worksheet on proportion, and third worksheet on unitary method. In unitary method, first sums are easy, but the last 3 sums, but they are important. So in the second subdivision, B division question, you have to reverse the order of the statement and find out. Please practice these sums a little bit, 2 or 3 times, then it will be easy. Bye. Thank you. All the best.